Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus Neon Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Phantom Wallet and Neon Wallet, examining their features, usability, and target audience to help you decide which one suits your crypto needs best. Phantom Wallet is designed specifically for the Solana blockchain. It's a non-custodial wallet that offers seamless management of SOL tokens, Solana-based NFTs, and interactions with DeFi platforms. With a sleek interface, Phantom provides built-in token swaps, SOL staking, and support for hardware wallets like Ledger for enhanced security. It is available as a browser extension and mobile app, ensuring a user-friendly experience across devices. Phantom's intuitive design makes it ideal for both newcomers and experienced users looking to engage exclusively within the Solana ecosystem. Neon Wallet, on the other hand, is tailored for the Neo blockchain, focusing on the Neo ecosystem's tokens, dApps, and governance. As an open-source, non-custodial wallet, Neon Wallet allows users to manage Neo and Gas tokens, participate in staking through Gas claims, and interact with Neo smart contracts. Its straightforward interface and desktop-first approach make it accessible to users seeking a no-frills experience. Neon is particularly suitable for those invested in Neo's ecosystem, though its lack of multi-chain support might limit its appeal to users exploring other blockchains. In summary, Phantom Wallet is the better choice if you're focused on Solana's fast-growing ecosystem and value features like integrated staking and seamless dApp interactions. Neon Wallet shines for users dedicated to Neo, offering a simple yet effective solution for managing Neo tokens and accessing Neo-based dApps. Your decision will depend on whether you're more aligned with Solana's DeFi and NFT opportunities or Neo's unique staking and governance features. Explore the links in the description to learn more about each wallet, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer.